Everyone, so today I'm going to teach you on how to put all my files and downloads in a new folder on my desktop. So what you're going to do first is go to your files, and after going to your files, what you're going to go is go to your downloads. After going to downloads, you select and control all, control and all. So after that, you can, go ahead and select all the download files, or you can just type Control A and Control C to copy everything. So after copying, you make a new folder over here, new in your desktop, write my downloads, and you paste everything that you've got copy over here. So once you, I'm sorry, paste it over here. So after pasting this, your downloads will be copied over here in your folder. Thank you so much for watching.